Let's discuss today the duplicate check in Navisworks Manage. As you all know, duplicate check is important to avoid inaccurate result from your estimation and quantity surveying, which will have a direct effect in your project cost. So let's intentionally duplicate all these toilet fixtures. Copy and align the same place. And for example, these shelvings, copy, align the same place. And lastly, let's select this I-beam, I-column, copy, and align the same place. So next step guys, you need to export this to NWC and switch back. Remember, whenever you're exporting this to NWC, your Revit model must be in a 3D mode. Navisworks, save. Then after, switch back. And in your Navisworks Manage, append and choose the NWC file. Open. Go to Clash Detective. Add test. Just put duplicate check. And then select these two files. And here in the settings, duplicate. So before we continue running the test, remember that we intentionally duplicate the plumbing fixtures, the steel column, and the shelving. In the test, check this, uncheck everything, and then this is the most important, uncheck this composite object clashing. This means that if the element is not terminated, just for example, the wall does not have any proper termination, Navis will treat that as a continuous element. So even if one line is having a duplicate and the other line doesn't have, Navis will treat that as no clash or no duplicate. So now let's run the test. After Navis have reported 116 duplicate clashes, let's try the switchback command and try to resolve all these duplicates in the Revit model. So, for example, this clash 44, these urinals, just right click on one of them and switch back, and then go to Navis. Navis will automatically open it in Revit. So meaning this urinal element is duplicated. So once it's selected, so just delete one. Try to select each of them and delete, because a while ago we intentionally duplicate all of these urinals. Select and then delete. And then let's close this. Let's save first because this is NWF format already. Save. New. And on Revit, export this Navisworks NWC file, save. Then switch back. Load again the NWF, open. So after performing on creating the new NWC file, so we are now ready to load this again on Navisworks. Open. Load the NWF. So we need to update this. So remember, we are having 116 clash. So when we update this, so meaning to say that we have resolved 6 of the 116 clash originally. So now the active clash is 110.